Have you had trouble with your finances while being self-employed? The best financial plan depends on your personal situation. Today I'm going to share with you 8 quick and effective tips to help individuals who are self-employed. If you use these tips in handling your finances, you'll be well on your way to living a financially fit life. Welcome back everyone to Financially Fit with Katie. I'm Katie MacDonald, certified financial planner and owner of MacDonald Wealth Management. I am dedicated to being your anchor for a financially fit life. Please do not forget to subscribe. That way you will be notified when new content will be uploaded. Now let's jump into today's topic on handling your finances while being self-employed. Being self-employed can be a challenge, especially when starting out. One of the best things that you can do is to determine how to manage your finances and keep yourself in the black. It's no fun feeling when you feel like you don't have any control. The point of being the boss is to have freedom and control in all areas of your life. So here are a few tips that I've put together that will help you as you're starting out and going on building your business. So first, have emergency cash. It's best to overplan when it comes to having an emergency fund. You need to look at every expense, both personal and business, to be prepared for an unexpected event. While it may be customary to have 3 to 6 months of cash stashed away, a year is a better cushion when you are a self-employed individual. Next, once you've handled and you've got your emergency cash set aside, now you want to find a place to start putting additional money. So savings accounts are good, but you want to look for areas where the funds can grow and not be disturbed, and then also maybe, to get some better tax advantages. So consider other vehicles like a traditional or a Roth IRA, a solo 401k, a simple IRA, a SEP IRA. These are all different types of retirement vehicles that might fit in your situation. So next, you want to have different budgets. Just like you want to make sure that you have an understanding of your personal and your business expenses, you want to make sure that you have a budget that's set up specifically for your personal accounts, and then another one that's for your business. This way you'll have a clear picture of what's coming in and what's going out, and then also what areas might need to be tweaked. Now, you also want to make sure that you're keeping your finances separate. You should keep your business and your personal accounts separate. This will make bookkeeping so much easier for you and cut down on headaches. So you want to make sure that you have a separate checking and business savings along with a business credit card, which can account for your expenses in addition to saving taxes and paying any other type of business expenses. And so you want to make sure that everything has its place kind of for the business. And I will say, I did not do that when I first set up my business back in 2014. And looking back, that first year and a half, that was tough. So I highly recommend you do that from the start. Now, next, you want to make sure that you're keeping receipts. You want to organize all of your receipts and then even digitize them as much as possible. This will assist in keeping yourself accountable, and you'll have a backup if the IRS comes calling and wants to audit and look at your records. Set reminders on the days that you need to do bookkeeping, when you need to send invoices and pay any bills that you have. This creates a schedule that will help keep you on track and prevent you from feeling overwhelmed. Next, make sure that you're saving for taxes. This is another hot item, and I often see this when working with new business accounts that come in, a new individual that's just starting out. It is so important to save for your taxes and make sure that you're paying them first before even you're saving some money. You don't want to be in a situation where you haven't paid taxes and you get yourself into hot water. As you get going, so you can set up estimated taxes, I will say on that too, if in the beginning you're starting out and you don't have a large cash reserve, you may not want to send out the estimated taxes right off the bat because you don't want to also not have cash. But you do want to make sure as you're continuing on and you can start to pay those estimated taxes, you want to, because if now all of a sudden your liability starts increasing, you don't want to be spending extra money on any type of interest and penalties. Now, lastly, create financial goals. Is there something you want or you need for your business? Make a goal and work towards it. Once you have a budget in place, you'll be able to determine how much you can put away to reach that financial goal. Being able to see the goals and how close to reaching them gives you that motivation. So the last thing I'm going to say is when you're setting up your savings, so whether it's going into a savings account, or if now you're able to set up a retirement account, use percentages. And the reason I say this is when creating your savings goals, if you use percentages instead of actual dollars, as your income goes up, you're now all of a sudden automatically going to see the amount that you're putting away go up. So that is a way to kind of keep up so that you're not all of a sudden earning maybe 3 to 4 times more than you were when you set up, but you're still saving that $100 a month. So wherever you're able to do it, really switch and use the percentage method, because this is really going to allow you that incentive and allow you to see your savings going up. So I hope that you found these tips helpful in your own situation. If there's anything that I can help you with, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. My contact information is listed in the description box. And until next time, everyone, stay safe, be well. Bye.